Let's make a Wiener Wellington with a simple hot dog. Start with a sheet of puff pastry. Cut it in half. Next, you're going to need Dijon cream, Duxelles, and Bordelaise sauce. The recipes for these can be found in the 3 videos before this one. Baste the half sheet of pastry evenly with Dijon cream. Spread Duxelles over the cream. Place a hot dog at the edge and carefully roll it up. Pinch, seal the pastry together and fold up the ends. Let's do another one. Place the Wiener Wellingtons on a lightly greased sheet pan. Score the tops. Baste in egg wash. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they're golden brown, about 20 minutes. Drizzle with Bordelaise sauce and serve with a knife and fork. Mmm.